few requests on what controls does what on this excavator. I run mine on case controls because I think John Deere is backassered. This stick here does your swing, side to side, left to right. This here, I think this is your, I know this. That's your stick in and out. Outs, outward, ins, inward. This is your boom up and down. And that's your bucket tail, in and out. And this here's your blade. It's your high speed, which turns on that. Goes a lot faster than it's regular. And of course your throttle. Key switch. It's got lights. I've got our chalks for a thumb. Your sticks down here, they got foot pedals for them. See here, chain underneath it. Turns it this way, turns it that way, both back forward. This is your boom swing over here. Swings your boom back towards me is that way, and left, right. This here is your lock. If you just want to run it like a backhoe, you lock that in and then you can't swing. You won't be able to swing it. I don't know how that works or not. I've never tried it. But that's pretty simply put. Of course, here's your interlock that interlocks your hydraulics on and off. And I'll show you kind of a fluent motion. A lot of people have trouble with this. Like a fluent motion on your bucket. Flow it just like that. They kind of herky-jerky on it, but I'm trying to get a tree out. I'm waiting on Dad to come over with the skid steer because this thing's 25 horse and it has a hard time with bigger trees. So I'm gonna have to go find him or go get him. So catch y'all on the next one. I hope y'all enjoy. Kind of a rundown on excavator controls.